Hey guys, today I thought I'd do a little bit more of a relaxed vlog style video. I do have a topic, and the topic is the art of offers. Now I want you to think about your everyday experiences and think about offers. How many offers are presented to you? You might not think that there's that many when you first think about it, but let's talk a little bit about the social marketing networks. So are any of you on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc.? Any one of those platforms, are you, any of you seeing click here for this or sign up now? Also think of the grocery store. Every item is an offer there. It has a price tag, and essentially all you have to do is go to the cash register and it's yours. So I think that the offer begins just with the price tag, right? It's available for sale. Maybe offers from other people. You know, people are contacting you saying, hey, can you do this as a favor, etc. Now, if we take this into the business world, I want you to think of yourself and ask yourself, how many offers are you presenting towards others? Now, if you're just getting started or if you have a business, this still applies for every one of you. How many offers are you presenting? How many items do you have for sale? How many sign-up lists do you have? How many links are you creating? So this is perfect for this, this topic is great for literally anyone, but great for affiliate marketers, business owners, entrepreneurs, or if you've got an idea, if you're selling anything, this is for you. So think about, your offers. Are you offering anything? Now, I would think of someone like the Walton family that owns Walmarts. If you think about how many offers they're presenting through Sam's Club, Walmart, etc., every product on every shelf and every store and every location, I would say that they are offering probably, their stats are really high. They're offering X amount of product, and how many are converting. Now, I'd say that their percentage of converting is probably very high. Their offer rate, as I would like to put it, is probably extremely high. Or think of Amazon.com. It is a web platform where you can buy products, and of course there are millions of products on there, and there are lots of sellers on there that are offering these same products. So I've had products on Amazon before, specifically one item. So if you think about it, that is one offer that I'm offering to somebody with a price tag. All they have to do is click on it. Now, with that one offer, what is my rate of conversion? Okay, I don't know. I really didn't know what that conversion rate was, but it definitely got a lot of sales, and it was awesome. It was exciting. But this is definitely something that is very much on my mind now, and I think about it, and I would think, dang, why did I only have one product up on Amazon? I should have added, doubled that, tripled it, quadruple, let's do 10x, let's do 100x, etc. Because the more offers you have, the greater chance of your success, the greater chance of revenue, the greater chance of overall success. So ask yourself, how many offers are you presenting right now? And then configure that and say, what is my rate of success? Okay. So if you literally have 0 offers out there, you're pretty much setting yourself up for failure. You will not be selling anything. You will not be having any success. Now, that is for those that, want to hustle, that want to get some extra side money. There's people that have a 9-to-5 job and that's all they care about, and they're getting money that way, and they don't really probably care to even extend offers, right? But for any entrepreneur out there, you really need to be setting yourself up and trying to get offers. Now, we can literally do cold calls, right? You could do 100 cold calls and figure out, okay, within those 100, how many people are converting or ordering up, taking up my offer. Maybe it's only 2, okay? And maybe those 2 are big high ticket offers, and it's exciting and it's great. Now, a lot of you are thinking, am I that type of personality? Do I want to be high pressure? I'm a little bit more passive. If I can set up some sort of ad and have them come to me, that's even better. Okay, now that's the art to this offer, okay? Now we literally can be doing these cold calls, and we could be doing advertising. There's lots of ways to attract customers, but what I want to talk a little bit about is the time that it takes to extend the offer to get the result, okay? Now, of course, we would love it if people were knocking on our door saying, hey, I want to do business with you. And I'd say that people that are in business get business like that, referrals that just come and say, hey, take my money, I want your service, or I want your product. And now that is exciting, right? That's really when it gets, the ball gets rolling, and it's like a snowball effect, and you're on your way. I want to talk to, this is targeted toward anyone that, I'm not sure where to start and gets frustrated thinking, okay, I'm trying to reach out to people. I want to talk a little bit about my wife right now. She runs a successful Instagram. She's has over 25,000 followers, I think really close to 30,000 followers now. And I think she's, gotten a little bit discouraged, or has had discouragement along her path. I think she's been doing it over 2 years, maybe 3 years now, and she has that many followers. Now these followers are legit, very engaged followers, and so they are quality. I think sometimes she thinks, I want to be making some money. I trying to do some advertising for people, and it seems like I have to, go after it. That's how the first 2 years were. And you'd have to, think, was she extending an offer? And that's the question mark, and that's part of this whole art part. Now that she's into her 3rd year, she is getting people that come to her. And yes, she's been making money from this. She's had to actively ask people, whether it's on Instagram Messenger or literally calling up the business, etc. Really getting after extending that offer, hey, I could do a post for you for this price. And sure enough, that turnaround time frame, she can get that yes and make money. Others, it hasn't happened yet. There's still a failure there. But if you think about, okay, well, how many offers is she extending? What's that rate of return? You got to send something out there to get something back. You got to reach out and grab it. The cool thing is that there are now companies that reach out to her and say, hey, I want to do business with you. And she never ever reached out to them. But here is the art to this offer, and I keep saying that, but I would say that she began to offer something the very first day she created the Instagram. Now, it might be like, wait, what? Why? And I'd say that anyone producing any content online, even if it's like a sentence, that is offering something, right? You are offering something to someone, not necessarily receiving anything in return right then, but they might begin to trust you. They might begin to like you. They want to see more. They like you, and then they want to do business with you. So that is something that can give any one of you motivation. And that is, you just got to start, and you got to stay consistent, and you got to just keep going. Now, if you don't keep going and you're not consistent, that one sentence is not going to become anything. I mean, you got to get things out there. You got to provide quality content. Content is king. You've heard that before. It is real. It is true. It helps with SEO. It helps you rank. It stacks up, and that's that snowball effect. So, guys, the art of an offer can be very artistic. It can happen in many ways. Use social media to your advantage. This is something that has been fresh in my mind, and it's exciting. I think, man, I need to be offering more things to others. extend the offer and see what they say. It never hurts to take a shot. That's one thing that LeBron James has said, and I absolutely love it. He says you got to take shots. And if you don't take shots, you'll never become successful. And it's true. You will never be a star unless if you're taking shots. And those shots might be missed. A lot of them will be missed. But if you take the shot, you will make some. And when you make more and more and more, you're going to see success. So guys, what is the takeaway from this? It's simply get stuff out there. You know, if you want to make some extra side income, if you want to have some extra influence, you got to start producing and extending an offer. If you're not extending an offer, then you might as well just plan on not receiving anything back in return. So guys, get out there. For affiliate marketers, send links, you know, send emails with links. You might as well. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't take that much time to do. Get offers, get products up on Amazon, get making phone calls, provide services, etc. Okay, and if you do that and you're consistent at it, it will get into a snowball effect, and people will then be coming to you saying, I want whatever you're offering. So that's it, guys. Hope you like the vlog style. If you like these videos, give it a like. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. If you want to be notified, tip that bell icon. And we will see you on, well, okay, guys, here is my offer. I have a website. It's startfunnels.com/guide. Currently, it is not up to date. It's kind of beta, but that is my offer. It is free. So all I'm doing is collecting an email address for free content. So once again, startfunnels.com/guide. And sign up, and it will be updated here shortly. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you on the next video.